Hello guys, I'm Shai. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to discuss about the meat processing. In there we use the nitrate NO2. Why we use the NO2 in the meat processing? And when we use the NO2, what is the problem for the consumer? And then nowadays the consumer are very concerned about the chemical in the meat processing. So they think if they eat the meat product, example hot dog, sausage, jerky, they think that's the problem for the health. So we have to address this problem before reaching to the consumer hand. So firstly, I want to discuss why we use the NO2 in the meat product. If we use the NO2, what we get? What is the advantages of using the NO2? Actually, when we use the NO2 in the meat product, we had to mix with the ascorbic acid. That's a vitamin C. So this ascorbic acid can reduce the nitric oxide. So this nitric oxide can react with the myoglobin in the meat product. We already know in the meat there is a myoglobin and mineral. So when we get that heating or fermentation or oxygen or something, that time the meat product will release the myoglobin. So this nitric oxide will combine with the myoglobin. This time can block the oxidation. That's why when we use the NO2, we can preserve long time the meat product. So another mechanism, this nitric oxide combined with the myoglobin, this can release the nitroso myoglobin. So continuously heating this nitroso myoglobin can release the nitroso hemochrome. This is the compound for producing the red color. So we already know the color of the meat product also very important because the consumer, they are going to the market when they want to buy the meat product or meat. Firstly, they decided the color of the meat product or meat, or this color is fresh colored or this color is not fresh color. So color also very important. That's why we had to use the NO2. NO2 can produce the desired color, attractive color for the consumer because of the by producing the nitroso hemochrome compound. So and then the nitric oxide can block the bacteria group. How? So NO can broken down the fridosine. Fridosine is the iron sulfur protein or the bacteria. This can produce the energy for their life. So NO can block the fridosine, so microorganisms cannot get the energy for their life. So they cannot grow. That's why we use the NO2. And another mechanism, when we make the meat product, we get the temperature or oxidation. As I mentioned, they can happen lipid oxidation. This time will release the superoxide radical. This nitric oxide can reduce the superoxide radical to peroxide nitrate. This is the very strong oxidant. This can damage the cell and DNA of the bacteria. That's why the nitric oxide can inhibit the microbial growth. That's why we use the NO2 in the meat product. We want we want to preserve long time, we want the attractive color, and we want to inhibit the microbial growth. That's why we use the nitrate NO2. As I mentioned, this is the mechanism of the nitrate in the meat product. So the industrial or the researcher, we use the NO2 for these advantages, but the consumer, they have knowledge, they know this is the chemical, this one is very dangerous for their life, for their health. So we had to address, we need this advantage, we want to preserve long time, and we want attractive color, we want to inhibit the microbiome. So we had to use NO2. So we had to think and we had to address, how can we do? One thing is we had to use the nitrate ingredient. So last time I published one paper. So in here I use the suture powder. This is the nitrate powder. So there is a nitrate. So we need a nitrate NO2 in a meat product, but we had the NO3 nitrate powder, but we can reduce by bacteria. So if we use the nitrate powder such as or celery NO3, and then we will reduce the NO2 by bacteria, so we will get our advantages, block oxidation, preserving the sharp light, and we will get the attractive color, and we can inhibit microbial growth because we already use the NO2. And then the consumer also no need to concern about their health or their life because we use the nitrate. So that is good opportunity for meat product and for the consumer. So we should use the nitrate such as suture or celery. So today I discussed about the nitrate in the meat product, what is the advantages and what is the problem, and then what we should do. So thank you.